Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a review of the Gentex GECB24PWB Blue Commander 3. So you can see this is the front of the alarm. And you can see that it is blue, the body of it is blue, the strobe is blue. And to just take the cover plate off, you just kind of do that. And yeah, this alarm is not actually meant for fire alarm use. If you find a regular Commander 3 that's like white or red and it has a normal clear lens and it has fire lettering like right on the side right here, then that's for fire use. But this one's blue, so it's not for fire use. This one's actually for like emergency exit use. That's what I see it, because sometimes when I go to like Lowe's and stuff, I see like this specific this exact type of alarm like on the emergency exit door. So yeah, and right there's your wire terminals. You can see it is 4-wire, and yeah, I just have wires going like that, so I can just make it 2-wire if I want to. But I'm gonna go ahead and wire it up real quick, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I have it wired up, and so basically all you do at this point is you just take it like this and kind of make sure that this little part right here is aligned with this, and you can just kind of slide it in like that, and then take your mounting plate and just kind of snap it on. And you can even select how bright you want it to be. I have mine on 15 candela just because I don't really want it that bright. Here we go. It's very loud. It vibrates the tablet. Let's try a different tone now. Let's see what this one is. This one's chime. It's not very loud at all. It is a little bit loud, but not very much. This would probably be an alarm you might want to put in like a hospital or something. Well, if you put these in a hospital, you might want to like set on chime, but try something else now. Okay, now we'll do this tone. This is going to be the last one I do. So, here we go. Well, that's about it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. That's it. Bye.